students. So today the grammar topic here you can see application writing I am going to teach you. First of all, application writing is one kind of letter. So into the writing skill, this is the very important point where you will have to notice the so many points, where you will have to remember some of the points while you are writing application. So first of all, let's understood what is the application writing. To apply something to someone for what? For such kind of post. Suppose I am giving you the definition, actual not the definite definition we are having, but here we are having such information about the application writing is application is a type of letter. This is one kind of letter but in a different form. Either presenting candidate for the job, either the candidate presenting for the job, if someone wants job somewhere, so he can write application to that particular place or person, or as a participant in some program. Suppose you want to participate in your school program, so you can write application to your class teacher. So in two form you can write the application. Now such of the points you will have to remember while writing application. So application for employment should cover the following points. Generally in exam you will ask the application for employment only for different kind of posts like journalist, like laboratory manager, like post of a teacher. These kind of application you will ask into the examination. The points you will have to remember is number 1, the applicant should make it clear, he or she would have to make this clear that from where did he or she come to know about the post. If you are applying something to any school, to any company, to any place, so from where you getting that information, where you are getting that information, कहाँ से वो information मिली, that you will have to clear it into the application. Second, that he should describe his age, he or she, qualification and experience. All the detail means his age, not actually his age. The full biodata, personal biodata you will have to explain, qualification and as well as the experience you will have to mention into the application. And the last one is here given that refer to the testimonials and conclude. Conclude already you know that how to end up the application. That also I will tell you whatever the format is there, but what is testimonial? Testimonial is one kind of the thing where you are having whatever the degrees that you will have to mention into the application. This is called testimonials. So this is the thing you will have to take care about the application writing. Now I will show you the format and the sample application in which you will get the concept clearly that how will you write the application. So let us look for the format first. Format of the application, here you can see the first thing you will have to mention is address of writer. Second thing, date. Third, receiver's position address. Fourth one is salutation. You are knowing that respected sir, dear sir, whatever you are using, that salutation you will have to use here. Fifth one is a subject line. Whatever the subject you are writing for the application, that you will have to mention here. Next one is body of letter. Body of letter means now the actual part of application will start from here. So in application, first thing you will have to mention is that the first thing here is introduction. Second thing, you will have to mention all the details like personal details, education, experience, salary expected and qualifications. These you will have to mention into the applications. Now reference, from where you have got the information about this post, that reference, name and address of two reputed person who know you. Reputed person you will have to mention who has given you the clue to get this job. Next one is conclusion, where you will have to show hope for the selection. And at last you will have to write thanksgiving Okay, means thanking you will have to. And seventh one is complimentary close. At 8 number signature, 9 number enclosure. Enclosure is here not mandatory. While you are giving the real application, then this will be the compulsory. Necessary certificates. Enclosure means where you will have to add necessary certificate for particular job. Now I will show you the sample application. So let's start the sample application. Here you can see the question. A higher secondary school at Morbi district Rajkot needs a laboratory assistant. Write an application for this post. So how will you write? First of all, I have informed you to write your address. So first of all, mention your address like this: B10 Sadhna Society near Motobag, Porbandar, September 6, 2016. Next, to whom you are sending application? Write down the name of that person, the principal, Saraswati Higher Secondary School, Morbi 330001. This is the pin code. Now afterward, the mandatory thing is subject. How will you write the subject over here? So let us start to see the subject. An application for the post of a laboratory assistant. This is the subject. From question you will get the subject. As I have told you priorly that needs a laboratory assistant. So this is the subject. These you will have to mention into the subject. Here you can see an application for the post of a laboratory assistant. This is the subject. After then, as I have told you that you will have to write the salutation like respected sir. Introduction. I read your advertisement in today's Gujarat Samachar inviting applications for the post of a laboratory assistant in your school. So from where he has got this idea to send the post in these schools, so he has seen the advertisement into the Gujarat Samachar newspaper where he has got the news, जहाँ से उसको ये news मिला that कि ये school में वैकेंसी है फॉर लेबोरेटरी असिस्टेंट एंड ही वॉज हैविंग दैट क्वालिफिकेशन ऑल्सो, उसके पास वो क्वालिफिकेशन भी है. सो आई प्रेजेंट माई सेल्फ एज अ कैंडिडेट. ही प्रेजेंट हिमसेल्फ एज अ कैंडिडेट ओवर देयर इन एप्लीकेशन फॉर द सेड पोस्ट. सेड पोस्ट मीन विच laboratory assistant. Following are the details about my educational qualifications and experience. Now he is started to going his detail means personal detail, educational qualification and as well as experience also. So in personal biodata he has mentioned first name. So name Bhavesh B Trivedi, Bhavesh S Trivedi. You will have to write here your full name. Afterwards address also you can write, but priorly we have already mentioned the address over here, you can see. So that's why I have not added the point of address over here. So first is name Bhavesh S Trivedi, age 28 years. Understood? So these two is personal biodata. Third one he has mentioned. Third one, date of birth June 6, 1992. Personality, dynamic, enthusiastic or hardworking. Dynamic, he likes to do anything. He was very eagerly waiting to do something new. Enthusiastic, excited and hardworking. Language known, he known these three languages: English, Hindi and Gujarati. Nationality, Indian. In short, these 6 are personal details. Now he is going to explain his educational qualifications. So educational qualifications: number 1, SSC examination in 2003, HSC examination in 2005, BSc examination in 2007, MSc examination in 2009. So this is his qualifications. Next is additional qualification. Additional, more what he has done, rest of these details. So additional qualification is I did my B.Ed in 2010. Rest of all degrees he has also done the B.Ed, and that's why he has written additional qualification. He was having experience also, so he has mentioned his experience here. Number 1, chemical laboratory Rajkot. I worked here as laboratory assistant from 2011 to 2012. Next, he has mentioned the place Rushil Laboratory, Vadodara. I worked here from 2013 to 2014. So two places where he has done the job. He has getting the experience also. That's why he has mentioned this experience. Now, reason for changing the present job. Why he has changed the job? Just because I love teaching and live to work with the student. He has applied for laboratory assistant. Just because he loved to teach the students, that's why he has changed the profession and he has given the present job application. Now next is, now the references from where he has got these reference. So name of the person I have told you into the format. Number 1, the proprietor, Nil Pathology. One of the proprietor has given this information, Nil Pathology, Rajkot 36001. Second one is the manager. The manager has given this information, Chemic Laboratory, Rajkot 36006. So these two persons are there who has given the reference or clue for this job. Now the next, at last, conclusion. If I am selected for the post of the laboratory assistant, I shall try my best to satisfy you with my sincerity and hard work. I will present necessary certificates at the time of personal interview. See, this is one kind of formal information where he has mentioned that if you are selecting me as your assistant, laboratory assistant, then I will definitely do my best. I will give my 100% and I will satisfy you with my work, with my sincerity and with my hard work. Definitely I will give by bottom of my heart. I will present necessary certificate. This will you will have to present, or this will you will have to give while you are joining the job. If you are joining the job, if they are selecting you, then you will have to provide the original certificates to the school at the time of the personal interview. That's why here written. And at last, thanking yours faithfully, Bhavesh Trivedi. So this is the application. In this form you can write the application. Now this application you will have to prepare for the first term examination. I will provide you all the PDF or the application also with the answers, so you can easily prefer or refer this. So please do preparation for the first term examination. This is the application writing that you will get soon. Thank you.